my Jedi Lego Starwars Master Jorgen. It's a good day to build. Today we're doing Duel on Mandalore. This set number is 75310. This is 7 plus. This set has 147 pieces. Here's something that's cool. It's shown on the back, but if you shoot Darth Maul, he can launch through his throne. Something really crazy is Darth Maul is a new character and only in this set. Jorgen, what do you like?
So the thing I like most in this set is you can sit Darth Maul on the throne and open up this packet right here, and you can put his lightsaber in. So when it comes to battle time, you can open it up and use the Force to bring the lightsaber out. This set is actually really accurate to the scene on Duel on Mandalore, even to the lights. The only thing that's inaccurate about this set is the gun. There's nowhere in the season 7 of Clone Wars that has a gun that slides out. That's just a good playability feature.
Alright, let's build.
Let's do it. Bless you.
Watching, make sure to subscribe, give us a big thumbs up. Thanks for being here, Jorgen. And as always, it's a good day to build. And have a Jedi with you. This is my Lego Star Wars Jedi Master Ben.
It's Jorgen!
Thank you.
Somebody use the Force on Jorgen.
Okay, that's enough.
So this is a jail cell.
No, it's actually a hiding spot. That's this movie question. Darth Maul doing the backflip.
My enemies I have. Very good they are.
So number 1.
You
Near the top.
dummy. Let's cut off my dummy.
Well, I'm Finn's master, so I know everything.
You may want to listen to the Lego Master.
The Lego Master. Put his blaster in this little container, and it's super cool how you can put a blaster but it like wasn't in the actual TV series. It's just a fun playability.